new choice. This one's great for imagination, of course. Also justification. And it's great for your writing skills, too. Moving on beyond the obvious choice. Here it is. You got two improvisers. The audience gives them a suggestion, or other improvisers give them that suggestion, a location, a relationship. They begin the scene, establishing who, what, and where. At any time, someone shouts out, freeze. They freeze, and then they'll say, new choice. Whatever your last line was, you change it, make a new choice. And then you go on with the scene. Unless they don't like that choice, then they'll say, new choice. Then you got to think of something else. They can say new choice as many times as they want until they're satisfied with the line you deliver. And then you move forward. Here we go. I can't believe we're painting constellations on the ceiling. Yeah? You always said how you like sleeping under the stars. You're so romantic. New choice. You're so crazy. New choice. You're so childish. You're so hard to please. I can afford to be. I'm better looking than you. You're so shallow. New choice. So right. I need to get Botox. Well, it's about time.